This is a tutorial about shape tween morphing, basically shape morphing, shape tweens. Now, I'm still working locally. I'm working in public documents. You should probably work in private documents, in my documents. I'm going to run tutorial 5. Here are my documents. My Word document is open. My Flash is open. I'm going to create a new ActionScript 3 document. I'm going to go modify document. I can do it there, or I can do it by right clicking on the grey here. Now I want to have 250 by 250 and a blue background. So 250, 250 and color blue. Okay, I might just make this 200 is a bit too big. Let's just make it 150 and we are ready to go. Let's go have a look at our first task. Add a triangle, and then we go to frame 13. So our triangle, we have got shapes here. We need a blank stroke and we need a yellow fill, and we need a rectangle tool to start. If I hold the shift key, let's not hold the shift key first, I've got a rectangle. If I now hold the shift key, I end up with a square, and that'll do for my square. I'm now going to hit the sub-select tool, come over here and change so that that looks like around about the middle, and hold and that one there, and we've got a triangle. Now let's center that triangle. I'm going to go modify, align. What the problem with my centering before was that I did not have align to stage, so that is now ticked. I can do a horizontal center, I can modify, align, and do a vertical center, and it moves up a little bit. We have now done all of that. We're now going to select a frame 13, add a blank keyframe, and then add a circle. So 13, 15, I reckon that's 13 there. Insert a blank keyframe. We're now going to go make this an oval tool. We're going to have a green fill and make it an oval tool. Again, if I don't hold the shift key, I end up with an oval. Push the shift key and I end up with a circle. We're going to highlight that. We're going to modify, align, horizontal center. My align to stage is still ticked, so horizontal center, modify, align, vertical center, and so we've got that in the center now. You'll notice that we have triangle all the way to here and then circle. We now go to frame 25 and we're going to add, that circle should have been red. We're going to add a green square. Let's go back here. Circle should be red. Okay, frame, I forgot the frame number, frame 25. And insert blank keyframe. We're now going to do here green, and we are doing a rectangle. I think we're doing a square. Yep, quite a large square there. Select and modify, align, horizontal, align, vertical. Now let's look. Circle, triangle, right. Oh dear, could not find this item. Let's skip it. That's a whoops. Sorry, that's some transferring I've got happening in the background. We're now going to do the last stage. Let's go down to here, copy the triangle to frame 37. So we go here. Frame 37 is there. Insert a blank keyframe, go back to here, copy our triangle, it's already highlighted, Control C, frame 37, I'm going to edit, paste in place, and now I have got this here. We're now going to insert tweens. Next we can go insert, let's get into the middle of one of these. I think it says frame 5 in the instruction, but and we can insert shape tween here, and you can see it's not only changing shape but it's changing color. Here I'm going to right click and create a shape tween, and that's working too, and here also I'm going to right click and create a shape tween. Now I have not saved my document, that's naughty. File, save as. I'm going to save it in my documents down here, tutorial 5. I've already got some here, shape morph. This is actually shape morph. I'm going to change the cases. I like a camel case with a capital S and a capital M. Camel because it's got some humps of where the capitals are. Let's say 5.5, so it's CS 5.5, and we haven't done the extension yet. Okay, save. Let's run it now. Control Enter, and look at that, fantastic. Let's go back to our file, tutorial, and we not only have our Flash edit file, but we have our SWF. Let's just have a look at this. Organize, folder and search. Let's view our extensions. So we see now that we have an FLA file and we have an SWF. The SWF is the little movie. So this is what goes into your website. That is your edit file. That stays well out of your website. Now we've got an extension here. I'm going to add an extra extension, animate the steps, we've done that, test the animation, save your animation, we've done all that. Modify the shape, size and colors, well that's easy enough. Let's just do that very quickly. Let's go here and change that from a red to a pink. Okay, Control Enter, and immediately note we don't have to push save each time, it just does it. Alright, let's do another extension which we have got. Add another shape, we could do that. What I'm going to do, hold each shape for 4 frames, so let's do that. Now if we are here we should be able to insert frame. Now it has not, so what I'm going to do is create here, I'm going to create insert keyframe. I'm going to insert frames here. I need to go, was it 25? So I need to go from 15 now, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 plus 13 is 32. So I need to insert frame, can't see a shortcut for this, insert frame, gets me up, wow, it looks about the same, not for 32. Now here, what I'm going to do, I have got that, I'm going to copy that frame, Control C, here I'm going to edit, paste in place. Now I've got the 2, so I'm going to Control Z, I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to go edit, paste in place. Now let's just run over and see if we've got, yeah, we've got a constant purple for a little while, then we've got movement again. Now I think there's a better way to do that. I'm going to highlight 5 frames, I'm going to go insert frames, insert, right, we'll insert frames. Now I need to have, sorry, I just need to highlight that particular frame, insert keyframe. I'm going to insert a blank keyframe. It wrecks my tween. Here I've got my tween edit, copy this, Control C, there, edit, paste in place, and now my tweens are looking good. My timing is not so good, but here I'm going to insert frame. Now I just wonder if I can do hold 3 frames there, insert frame, and that inserted them in there, Control Z, so I can't do that. I've got to insert blanks, insert, and insert. So we've got a very still triangle there. Let's Control Enter. We've got a small hold in between each. Now you can extend these. Let's just highlight all of those, insert frames, here highlight all of these, insert frame, and highlight all of these, insert frame, and Control Enter. Now the hole is much more pronounced, the hold between each. So that's it for shape morphing.